What I'd like to do now is draw a button on my Excel sheet that actually runs the macro data entry. So I'm just clicking in the Excel file chapter 17, and I'll go to the Insert tab in the ribbon, and here I can choose Shapes, and the shape I tend to like to use is in the Basic Shapes group, and it's called Bevel. I'll click the Bevel shape and I'll just drag to draw a rectangle, about that size. Then I'll right click the shape and I'll assign a macro, and I'll assign the data entry macro we made earlier, and OK. I'd also like to add some text to the front of this button, so I'll just type the text data entry and maybe press Ctrl E to centre the text, and then click away from the button. If I want to test the button, I'll just click the button, and this button automatically runs the data entry macro, which is to add a record to the bottom of my list. I'll now delete these test records, knowing that the button works effectively, and just click on a cell and maybe save the file.